fifth graders. We're going to talk about exponents today, alrighty? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this right here, this little number is an exponent. Okay, so on this one, here's my exponent. Okay, and exponents tell us that we are going to multiply this whole number times itself this many times. It doesn't mean we're doing 5 times 3. Nope. It means we're going to take 5 times 5 times 5. We're going to do it 3 times. So this is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 is the same. 5 to the third power, 5 to the third is the same as 5 times 5 times 5. So if I have 6 to the fourth power, what am I going to multiply? Yes, you're right. We're going to take 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. We are going to do it 4 times because that 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is equal to 6 to the fourth power. Okay, so let's work one of these. I want to work this one because it's a little bit easier to work. Okay, so now when I go ahead and multiply this to find out what else this is equal to, because it's obviously equal to another number, I take 5 times 5, which is, you're right, 25. Now I still haven't used this times 5, so I have to take 25 times 5. And if I think of 5 quarters, I know 5 quarters is 125 cents. Okay, so 5 times 5 times 5, or 5 to the third power, is the same as 125. Okay, so now what if they give you a problem like this, and they say write this with an exponent? Well, that's not hard. You guys got this. You take your number, 6, and you count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, and that's your exponent. And again, we can multiply this out to find out what number that is equal to. 6 times 6 is 36. We still have to do this times 6. So 36 times 6, 216. Okay, so how would we write this? Right here, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. How would we write that with an exponent? You're right, we start by writing a 3. And how many of them is there, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, it'll be our exponent. And we can figure this one out too. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 9, 81. And we still haven't used this 3, so we have to multiply that. 243 is the same as 3 to the fifth, and 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Wowza. You guys got this, though. That's a pretty fun concept to use. Okay, hey, happy Easter. You have a great Easter, and enjoy your break, and we will see you Tuesday. Bye, guys.